Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys click on this video, you know why you're here for. We're going to be comparing the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray versus Urban Decay setting spray. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I know some of you guys love using setting spray and love wearing makeup during summer. So that's why I really wanted to do a comparison and share with you guys which setting spray is best for summer. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Rosie. I am a beauty content creator on Instagram. If you haven't done so yet, consider subscribing to this channel and also hit the bell every single time I post a new video. So now without further ado, let's get on with this video. So as you guys can see, I decided to show you guys my makeup routine so that we know which product I use to compare the two setting spray. As always, I always use a sunscreen for my makeup routine. So for today's sunscreen is, hopefully that's something that some of you guys that are quite familiar, is the Ultraviolette SPF 50 Supreme Screen Hydrating Facial Skin Screen. Okay, so I let the sunscreen sink in for a little bit, so now we're gonna go with the next step, which is my trusty makeup primer from Rare Beauty. This is the Illuminating primer. I usually do one pump. Because it's got a pearly looking kind of a consistency, it does leave a nice glow, but I love this product. Okay, the next product is going to be Complexion. I decided to pick the winner of the Best Tinted Moisturizer for Summer series, so that way it makes more sense while we're still into summer season here in Australia. So I thought that would be a great way to segue this little series that we're doing here. So yeah, so the winner of the Best Tinted Moisturizer for Summer 2021, spoiler, is the Bareminerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream with SPF 30, and I've got the shade Birch 1.5. If you guys are new in my channel, I also have a separate review video on this product, so make sure to also check it out. So I'll have the cards here again for you guys for that separate video. But yeah, this is how the shade looks like. It's got a moussey consistency as well, which I really like. So I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation brush. Before we use the sponge, I'm going to be using my concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I've got the shade Madeline. Okay, next product, I'm going to do my bronzer. This is Nudestix Nudies All Over Face Color in the shade Bondi Bay. Okay, next is going to be my blush. Today I feel like going with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. This is the shade Bliss, one of my favorite shades from this range because you can apply so many dots. Okay, so last but not least, I am going with my lip pencil. This is from MAC. I've got the shade Boldly Bare. Alright, so if you guys are here for the final step, which is the setting spray, and you're just here for the actions, thank you so much for watching until the end, or if you skipped until this section, that's fine. So we're gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury first. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, Party All Night, Stay All Day. So I'm gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury on, I guess, on the right side of my face. So got a tissue here, hopefully it's not gonna go on it. Now we're gonna go with the Urban Decay now. This is how the bottle looks like. So the one I've got here is the Urban Decay makeup setting spray with cooling and hydrating. So this is the chill version. Just FYI, this was given to me, so that's why if it's not the one that you're after, I apologize in advance. I know there's so many types, and there's a very typical one. I think that one is the All Night setting spray. But yeah, so I just wanted to do this video just for fun. So if you guys are still interested, just keep on watching. But yeah, this was given it to me, and I've been wanting to try it out, and you know, since I've got it, might as well try it. So this is the chill version. It's gonna be on this side. I've never tried the Urban Decay, so it doesn't have a scent. So the chill mist creates an instant cooling sensation and actually chills the surface of your makeup with our temperature control technology, so makeup stays looking just applied. So it really sounds quite familiar to the Charlotte Tilbury, just by reading the description, because I know that the Charlotte Tilbury has a sort of like a cooling sensation as well. So it's perfect for all skin type. Chill mist on and extend your concealer, foundation, shadows, and blush for vibrant makeup that lasts. Straight to my eye. That was not nice. I'm just not trying to let it dry for now. Wow, okay, the mist is totally different from the Charlotte Tilbury. It's like a whole patch here. So definitely did not spray evenly. So first of all, there's definitely no scent in the Urban Decay. The mist is totally different. The Charlotte Tilbury is like a nice, beautiful, finely mist and evenly spreading all over your face, whereas the Urban Decay, it's like it just hit one spot into your face. So that was not really fun. So unless, I don't know, maybe it's just today I'm just using my left hand. The cooling sensation, I don't think I can feel it as much as the Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like the Charlotte Tilbury gives that instant cooling sensation, and it does also have a really nice scent to it. Okay, so using my phone, showing you guys how the setting spray are sitting on each side of my face. So this side is the Charlotte Tilbury, and this side is the Urban Decay. So one more thing I wanted to share with you guys is show you guys the price again of each of the setting sprays. So I'm just gonna go into the app. Wait guys, actually I remember the chill one is not available anymore. I think it got discontinued, so regardless, I'm sure it's gonna be the same, right? There are two sizes. The mini size is $26. The mini size is 30 ml, though 118 mils, which is this size, is $55. It's 100 mils and it is retail for $49. So I think the price is more affordable. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna do again like a wear test, so we'll see how long we can stay all day. I think today is quite perfect with the weather, but yeah, so the time right now is 8:29. Yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so we're doing a check-in. This is about 6 and a bit, 7-ish kind of check-in. So yeah, looking at the camera, it doesn't look too bad on both sides, but I do know that when you're looking at real life through a mirror, it looks like one side of my face is dewy, but both products are performing quite similar to each other. Today is quite warm, but also at the same time windy, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. This side is the Charlotte Tilbury side, and then this side is the Urban Decay one. So I do feel like the Urban Decay is giving more of a dewiness. It shines through more obviously, whereas the Charlotte Tilbury seems to control the oiliness a little bit better, even though when you look at real life, they're both performing quite similar, like I said earlier. So Yeah, but can you guys see though, this side is less dewy than this side? Yeah, so I guess we've got a winner, but what do you guys think? Okay guys, it's the next day and here are my thoughts and who won the best setting spray for summer 2021. So I have to say that the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is my favorite, and I'm gonna be using it all summer because there's a couple of reasons. First of all, not only it's a luxury kind of a setting spray, but it really does the job from my own opinion. But also it really helps to hold your makeup throughout the day, but even though it says it's up to 16 hours, it really depends on your skin type. So that's why I really think that this one really holds very well. Like I've said to you guys from yesterday's footage, is that the Urban Decay, after a couple hours, you can instantly see that the oil is overproducing, whereas the Charlotte Tilbury was still holding up my oil production very well. But however, the Charlotte Tilbury, obviously after 12 hours, you can tell that it was almost catching up to the Urban Decay one. However, it still kept it looking quite nice. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this review and comparison helpful and useful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you really enjoy these types of videos, and let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!